Hi everyone, it is Coach Christina here, and I'm going to be showing you how I make this very easy protein shake that I like to have after a workout. I'll have it in the morning or anytime I just want a really quick snack or side meal, as I like to say. So I'll have this shake in addition to something else, or if it's super late at night and I really don't feel like eating a really heavy dinner, then I will prepare this shake anytime, quarantine or not. So let's hop into it. So first I've got a cup of frozen bananas. So frozen bananas, this is a really great thing to have on hand anytime. And I know a lot of vegans, so I'm not personally vegan, but I know a lot of vegans love using frozen bananas for desserts. And if you want to make your own ice cream, this is a really great base that you can use. And I believe frozen bananas are good in the freezer for a while, so especially for this quarantine too, a great way that I've been getting my frozen vegetables and fruits is just by throwing them in the freezer. So just a little trick right there. And then I'm gonna throw in a tablespoon of peanut butter. So you can use any kind of butter for this, any kind of nut butters. If you wanna use almond butter, or if you wanna use sunflower seed butter, you can really use anything you want. I ran out of all my almond butter because I've been eating so much of it over the course of this quarantine. So we're gonna use peanut butter today, which I'm not mad about because peanut butter and chocolate taste so good. So I'm just gonna drop in a generous tablespoon of peanut butter. And this also adds a little bit of extra protein as well and fat, so don't leave out your nuts. This is a really great way to fill yourself up after a long workout, or as I said, if you want to just have a snack, just kind of over the course of the day. So for protein powder, I'm going to use this one by Oxyway. So this is from EHP Labs. I've been using their protein powders for the last couple years. I really love them because they also have BCAAs, and it's got about, let's see how much protein's in here. 24 grams of protein per scoop, so you really can't go wrong. You can use any kind of protein powder here. If you're more into pea proteins, then I've heard that Vega is really good. Also, I cannot believe I'm saying this, but Arbonne makes a really good vegan protein powder. And I'm not a salesperson for Arbonne, but I love their protein powder. It's really, really good. I've not tasted a vegan protein powder that I've liked more than the Arbonne one. So I would check that out if you're more into kind of like the vegan scene. But if you're not, then Oxyway is really good. And this is the Swiss chocolate. So then to top it all off, we're just gonna add 1 to 2 cups of almond milk. So the way I like to do it is I like to just kind of fill up my blender until it covers up everything. That tends to be a good ratio because I like my protein shakes to be a little bit more on the liquid side. I don't want them to be too thick because then they're kind of hard to drink. When they're liquid, then it's easy to just chug it right after a workout or anytime you want it. So I'm gonna blend this up and I will be right back and show you what we're gonna be, what I'm gonna be downing. So give me 1 second. This is all nicely blended. So let's see what we're working with here. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. So like I said, almond milk, protein powder, peanut butter, and frozen bananas. That's all this is. Super, super easy to do, and you should already have the majority of these ingredients inside your pantry. Recommendations on a protein powder, yeah, Oxyway is a great one for whey protein, and I'm serious, check out the Arbonne one. If you need any Arbonne girls, you let me know and I can send them your way. All right, well, thank you so much, you guys, for joining. I'm gonna down this, and I will catch you on our next video.